right, I'm calling Charles. Never met him, but I'm gonna call him. I've never done this, so this is kind of scary, but whatever. How are you?
I'm a little nervous.
Me too. This is weird. I don't meet people over Zoom.
I know, I've been setting up lights and cameras all morning.
It's our big moment.
It's our big moment. I didn't put cologne on today.
You don't need to.
I don't need to.
There's so many steps of the morning routine that you can skip now. It's like amazing.
How old are you?
I'm 19. How old are you?
I'm a decade older than you.
No way.
Yeah.
That's 10 years. That's like a whole human being. 10 years is like a full developed human being. Think about that. But why are we together?
We are together because Target sent us a box to get creative during quarantine and to get to know each other for the first time. It's gonna be exciting.
Have you done any art throughout quarantine?
I painted my nails yesterday.
Oh my God, fun!
Yeah.
You should do a little design.
Nah, it's too much work. I'm not that artistic, I don't think.
I get it. Well, let's test our abilities. Let's go check out what they sent us.
Are you in Los Angeles?
I am.
You got your box?
I have my box. Wait, how are we gonna open this? Shall we? I do feel like it's Christmas a little bit right now. Oh, cute! A mini easel.
I have a drawing kit.
Oh, I hope that they let me keep these because these pens are like really good pens.
Look at this, I'm getting everything. A little sketch pad.
Cute.
This.
There it is.
Oh, Emma, is this your book?
This is my book.
Wow, the ideal planner. What is this?
It's basically, I'm like obsessed with like planning and organizing my day. So I made a planner that had like fun stuff in it. If you're like bored on a plane and don't want to go on your phone type situation. So that's what that is. Cool. Thank you.
That's so cool.
Thank
this
you.
planner belongs to Charles Melton. Oh, is that you? Here I am in middle school, around the time that I started using a planner. You started planning in middle school?
I had a very odd childhood. I feel like you might have an expectation about me because my dad is like literally an artist and has been doing it for however many years and, you know, makes a living off of it. That's like, you know, that's a very big thing to live up to.
Yeah, what kind of art does your dad do?
Here is something that my dad painted. This is of my cat, and it's a lot better than anything I could ever do. I love it very much.
Emma, this is my pup, Ned.
Hi. I would show my cats, but they try to escape every time I have people going in and out of my place. What is this? Oh my God, an apron! I'm putting it on.
You're an artist. It runs in the family.
I know.
What kind of hats are these?
Oh, a beret! Wait, that looks really great.
How are you supposed to wear it?
Wait, I want one. I do have a beret, which is very exciting.
Wow, it looks great.
Put on that apron, come on. I need you to put on the apron because I feel kind of embarrassed that I'm the only one wearing it. That's what I'm talking about.
What are we gonna use? Are we gonna use this?
No, we're using this.
That was a test and you just passed.
Yes. Okay, so actually in this planner, if you scroll through, there's some pages that are dedicated to doodling.
Draw a picture of what your baby's gonna look like.
Okay, this is gonna be embarrassing. Okay, this is not gonna be good. I feel like we have one main thing in common, and that's that we're both in front of the camera all the time. When it comes to the art of acting in general, I feel like that is something that's an escape for you, but the fame and the pressure is something that, you know, is not so simple.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really see it as too much pressure. I mean, it just depends on like the context of the situation. And there's always like a way to be, just to like handle it with grace and to be kind.
Totally.
But I mean, I do a lot of camping. I do a lot of solo trips, a lot of hiking. I just try to live as a normal and happy life as best as possible as I can. But I'll tell you what, whenever I go back to Kansas, especially when I go back home, like my mom's kind of like, she's like a silent show-off.
Oh.
And like she'll show me off to like all, you know, all her friends like in Korean Bible study.
I love that.
I'd come up and she, you know, and like, oh my God, Charles, movie star. Can we
I
take a
love
photo?
that.
I'm like, for sure, you know, like that. It's nice, it's sweet.
That's really cute. Okay, if you saw my drawing right now, it's not like, okay, like what is that? It started out as a baby and then I started having fun with her hair and now she's just really scary.
She looks great. She's got, you know, she's got the different color tones in her hair.
Can I see yours?
Yeah.
If you can.
I honestly forgot what we were drawing and I just started drawing. Let me see.
Oh, wait, I kind of love it. That would be a really, really great design on a t-shirt.
If I made a shirt
Yeah.
and I put this on there, you would wear it.
Yes. Confirmed.
Chelsea.
Yep,
Chelsea.
hand it off. Let's do a really ugly fish. Go.
If you had the option to be on the face of the planet only the month of September or come back to Earth every Tuesday, which would it be?
I would say every Tuesday because I'd have more time. How about you?
Yeah. Same. How ugly is your fish?
Not actually, I kind of forgot. Why is it that I keep forgetting what I'm doing? Like I just start drawing.
Oh my God. If you just draw nostrils on your fish, guarantee your fish is gonna look ugly.
Okay, great. Done. I feel like
Let me see what you got so far.
I wanted mine to look very scary.
Oh my gosh.
Is yours uglier? Yeah, I definitely wouldn't pick him at the pet store. Which, you know, what does that say about me, right? Maybe there's a deeper, why am I judging the fish by its cover? He could be a great guy.
He's a great guy. Just because he has snot coming out of his nose into his mouth doesn't mean he's a bad guy.
Right.
Let's draw a straw riding a bike. What am I doing?
No, don't be hard on yourself. Come on, we're just having, it's just a doodle challenge. It's not, this isn't the final product. This is not the final masterpiece.
Whoa.
It's not the worst thing I've ever seen. Low key, like this is kind of good. Let's see yours.
This is my guy.
No, I love, wait, your straw is so cute. He has a personality. Mine just looks like a straw, like not fun one. Yours like, I don't know, I feel like yours has a horoscope and stuff. I feel like we're ready to step it up and do our main art piece. There's nothing better to bond us, right, over the internet than to paint one another. Are you down?
I'm down.
Okay, let's do it. I'm out of here.
Wait, no, wait, don't leave me, wait.
No, okay, fine, we can go together.
Well, whoa, look at this. It's a spider.
Oh, ew, no thank you.
Do you want the apron on or
On.
Okay.
But I also kind of want you to have a prop. Are you like into that? I don't know, like holding up something that's like representative of you. I don't know.
All right, come with me. Yes.
Wait, this is kind of fun.
Let me.
It's like you're vlogging. You get to be a YouTuber for the day.
Let me see. There's some pillows here. I got these really cool feather things right here.
Ooh, those are kind of cool too. If you like held one up, I kind of love that. Okay, so can you tell me about your dog? Like, when did you get your dog? How long have you had her?
Yes, Naya. I love Naya. She was 3 months when I got her during the start of quarantine, and I've been thinking about rescuing a dog for 2 years, and it just worked out perfectly. We met each other, fell in love with each other. I picked her up. I met her for the first time in a hazmat suit.
No way.
Yeah, and then we spent probably 2 months just on the road, driving along the West Coast. We went to Washington. We've probably driven over 12,000, about 12,000 miles together.
No way.
All over. And I have a little journal separate just for like our adventures.
Are you kidding me?
Kind of like a little journal for her.
This sounds like it's from a movie.
And I write from her perspective. Whenever I write in these journals, it's pretty sweet, kind of funny.
That is.
That's my little baby girl, you know? I want to see it. Let me see.
We're getting closer. You can't see it yet. I'm actually pretty proud of it, Loki. I'm not proud of much that I do.
Make sure you get my moles. I have a mole here. I have like 4 moles on my nose.
Okay, wait, so where's the first?
Don't put the zit on there.
Okay,
I have deep set eyes. I should have told you this. I should have told you this in the beginning. All right, do you have a prop for me?
I was kind of thinking like a little.
Okay, you gotta keep your eyes like that the whole time.
Okay, deal. I'm gonna stay like this the whole time.
You have really nice eyebrows.
Thank you so much.
So my sister, Emma, my sister likes you. She thought it was really cool when I told her that I was gonna be doing this with you.
I'm so honored.
And maybe you could help me out and send her one of your planners.
God, I would love that. I would love that. I don't know if she watches this. If you're watching this, thank you so much, and I love you so much. And I will give you anything that you want, including my firstborn. It's so funny when people are like, I'd give you my firstborn, as if anybody wants a random person's kid. Have you ever thought about that?
Yeah. Here's, let me give you some responsibility. All right.
Are you done?
I think so.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Okay, let's do it.
3,
3,
2, 1.
1.
Wow!
Whoa!
I
That
like
is
mine.
good.
Wait, do you like him?
Wow, you made me look so cool.
I really like yours too, though. Yours is very abstract. I mean, listen, I spent a lot more time on mine than you. I kind of got a little head start, okay? So like, you know, you had to go more of an abstract route, and I'm really into it. I like the bold blocks of chunky paint. Like, I'm into it. Like, I would hang that up in my house immediately.
That's so sweet. I'm just kind of, that's really good.
Thank you.
Wow. That's really good.
Thank you so much. It doesn't really look like you, but it like looks like a human, which is why I'm like feeling very happy right now. Honestly, I might have to hang this up too if that's not weird for you.
No, hang it up. I'm gonna hang this up.
Okay, deal. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and thanks to Target for like bringing us together.
Thank you, Target. I made a new friend, Emma.
Yes, I love it.
And we learned art, and we drew, we doodled. It's been great.
It has been great. Listen, we'll do this again. Be expecting a package from me, and talk soon.
Talk soon.
Peace.
Be well, Emma.
You too. I almost hung up on you too soon.
Today I met Emma Chamberlain. We painted portraits of each other. We laughed with each other. I held a feather, she held a phone. It was a great time. If you guys enjoyed this episode, you won't want to miss the next episode of Let's Target. So check it out.